Good morning students. How are you all? Welcome to Javia schooling system. I know you have not seen me before. I am going to introduce you myself. My name is Megha and today I am going to teach you English grammar. आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं English grammar. So today students we are going to start chapter 1 in English grammar. What is the name of our chapter? Letters of English alphabet. Right? You have learnt this in senior KG also. You have learnt about capital letters. You have learnt about small letters. बस तो same thing we are going to repeat again. So what is the name of our chapter? Letters of English alphabet. आप सबको पता है English alphabets means what? A, B, C, D are called as English alphabet. So students, so I hope you understood name of the chapter. Letters of English alphabet. Okay. Now these letters can be written in capital and small. Capital ABCDs and small ABCD. Okay. So first on the board I am going to show you how to write capital and small letters of all the alphabets. So ready students? Everybody will write along with me. सबको मेरे साथ बुक में लिखना है. क्या लिखना है हमें आज? What are we going to write today? We are going to write capital and small letters of what? Of English alphabet. So everybody is ready to write along with me. Okay? So first we are going to write capital letters. Okay students, we are going to start our English alphabets and first we are going to write capital letters. आपको क्या लिखना है? You have to write A, B, C, D in capital. Okay? A to Z you have to write in capital because which chapter we are doing? Letters of English alphabets. Okay? After writing, I will show you all these alphabets in blocks. आपको मैं ब्लॉक्स में बताऊंगी. सो रेडी स्टूडेंट्स? सो एवरीबडी राइट अलोंग विथ मी. ए, दिस इज कैपिटल ए. देन बी. ओके, दिस इज कैपिटल बी. स्टूडेंट्स एवरीबडी विल राइट अलोंग विथ मी. सब लोग मेरे साथ लिखेंगे. दीज आर कैपिटल लेटर्स ऑफ इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट. सी, कैपिटल सी. D, E, F. So one line is completed. A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay students, I repeat again. A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay, all this ABCD you learned when you were in senior KG class. Okay, मुझे पता है आप लोगों को आती है ये ABCD लिखनी, right? Okay, so once again we repeat A, B, C, D, E and F. I know you all are very fast. So you have completed. Okay. So let us do the next line. G, H, I, J, K, L. Okay. Let us repeat this line again. G, H, I, J, K, G, H, I, J, K, L. Students, ready? Again I am repeating the same line. Everybody will repeat along with me. You have to speak and you have to write. Okay students, you have to speak with your mouth and write with your hands. Okay, G H I J K L. Okay students, so again I am repeating the two lines. Okay, A B C D E F G H I J K L. Okay students, two lines are completed. Now let us carry on. M N O P Q R. Okay, now we will read this line again. M N O P Q R. Okay students, everybody will read with me and write. M N O P Q R. Okay, let us do the next line. S T U V W X. Okay students, S T U V W X. Once again everybody will repeat along with me. सब मेरे साथ बोलेंगे. So ready everyone? S T U V W X. Next line. Y Z. Next line, Y and Z. Okay students, again I am telling you last line, Y Z. Okay, so these are the capital letters of English alphabet. All are the capital letters of English alphabet. Okay students, so now I am going to show you in the blocks. Ready everyone? Everyone wants to see the blocks. सभी को blocks देखने हैं ना? Yes. See, here we are having the blocks. Letter A. This is A. Capital A. Okay students, capital A. Then capital B. You can see on the board capital B. Okay? Yes? Okay. Next, capital C. You can look here students, capital C. Then capital D. You can look at the board. What is this? Capital letter D. Okay? So A, B, C and D. Okay students, you are all enjoying? You want to see some more blocks? Yes, yes, I know you want to see. This is capital E. Look at the board everyone. Capital letter E. This is F. Capital letter F. This is G. Capital letter G. This is H. Capital letter H. Okay students. So E, F, G and H. Okay. We will see some more blocks. I. Capital letter I. Capital letter J. Capital letter K. And capital letter L. Okay students. So I, J, K and L. Enjoying everyone? आगे दिखना है? You want to see? Yes. Capital letter M. This is capital letter M. This is capital letter N. Capital letter O. Capital letter P. Okay students? M, N, O and P. Okay? Then P के बाद Q, capital letter Q, capital letter R, capital letter S, capital letter T. Okay students? So again Q, R, S and T. Okay? Next. This is capital letter U. This is capital letter V. This is capital letter W. And this is capital letter X. Okay students? So U, V, W and X. Next. Now how many letters are left? Last two. Which two letters are left? Y and Z. Okay. This is Y, capital letter Y. And this is capital letter Z. Okay students. This is Y. And this is Z. So, we have completed all the blocks. Did you all enjoy seeing the blocks? Yes, I know you all enjoyed very much. Okay, I know we completed capital letters. Now, which letters we are going to write? We are going to write small letters. Okay, then we will learn vowels. Okay, first you should write small letters. So students, again everyone take out your pencil and start writing small letters. Okay? Everyone will read with me and write. Read with your mouth and write with your hands. Okay? Okay students, now we are going to write small letters. I know you learned this in senior KG class, right? But again we will do revision because which subject we are doing now? We are doing grammar subject. Okay? This subject is new for you in first standard. Yes, bolo? Yes. Okay? Now we are going to write small letters. So let us write. Small a. This is small a. Small b. Small c. Small d. Small e. Small f. Small g. And small h. Everybody is writing along with me? Yes? Okay. Now I am reading the line again. तो आप लोगों ने नहीं लिखा है तो write faster. Okay? A, B. These are the small letters. Small a, small b, small c, small d, small e, small f, small g, small h. Okay students? Second line. Small I, small j, small k, small l, small m, small n, small o, small p. Okay, these are which letters? these are the small letters like U, आपकी तरह छोटे छोटे. Okay, small a, small b, small c, small d, small e, small f, small g and small h, small I, small j, small k, small l, small m, small n, small o, small p. Okay, what comes after p? Q. Okay, so q, small q. This is small q. Everybody will write this along with me. Small r, small s, small t, small u, small v, small w, small x. Okay, small q, small r, small s, small t, small u, small v, small w, small x. Now only two letters are left, small y and small z, small y and small z. Okay students, now these are the small letters. Okay, so we completed capital letters, then we looked at the blocks. Blocks में देखी थी ना ABCD हमने, right? Then third, we completed the small letters. All have written. लिख लिया सबने. Done students? Yes. Now I am going to teach you about vowels and consonants. Now everybody knows the letters, capital letters and small letters. Now we are going to learn vowels and consonants. Okay? Now students, which letters are vowels? Which letters are vowels? I know you learned this in senior KG. मुझे पता है आप लोगों को आता है ना which are the vowels. Now I am going to write vowels on the board. Okay? Then I will show you it in a ice cream stick. Okay? Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Okay students, these are the vowels A, E, I, O and U. Okay, now do you want to see the vowels? Ready to see the vowels everyone? Yes. See students, look here, this is A, this is a vowel. Can you see this? This is a vowel. This is letter A. Can you see everyone? Yes. मैंने बोला था ना कि A is a vowel. What I have written here on the board? A. So this is a vowel. Okay? Did you see this? Yes. Then what is written? E. This is the letter E. This is a vowel. Okay? A, E. Look at this students. You can have a look on this. Letter E. Then which letter? I. This is I. This is looking like ice cream for you. Ice cream, you all like ice creams? Yes. तो ये 5 ice cream आपको याद रखनी है ना? You have to remember these 5. Okay? So this is I. Look at this. I. अरे I for is ice cream. Okay? This is letter I. This is letter. Yes everyone. Which letter is this? This is letter O. Yes? Look at this. What is written on the board? O. Can you see this students? And last one, which letter is this? Which letter it is? U. Okay? This is U. Can you see this? U. Clear students? So again I am showing this to you. A. Can you see this students? A, E, I, O and U. How many total? They are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many ice creams did you see right now? How many ice creams did you see? 5 ice creams. Okay? कौन सी? A, E, I, O and U. Clear everyone? I know. You all like ice cream, right? तो ये ice cream याद रहेगी ना सबको? Everybody will remember this? Okay. Right? Now I am going to show you some pictures of some words, okay, which are starting with A, E, I, O, U. We all know letters. अब आप लोग words बनाना चाहते हो ना? We will make words, okay? Before making words, I will show you some pictures. So A for is apple. Students, can you look at this apple, everyone? Yes, it is A for apple. सबसे पहले मैंने कौन सा बताया आपको? A. Okay? A for apple. Look at this apple, students. Can you see this? Yes. Now we are going to make words. Now you are not small. You are big students. तो आपको words आने चाहिए. You should know how to make words. Okay? Everybody will speak with me spelling of apple. सबको आती है apple की spelling? Yes? Yeah, I know you know the spelling of apple. So this is apple starting with letter A. Starting with which letter? Starting with letter A. Okay? So everybody will repeat with me spelling of apple. Can you see this apple, students? I have put it on the board. Tasty, tasty apple. Can you see? Yes. A double P L E. Apple. समझ में आया स्टूडेंट्स आप लोगों को? This is apple and A is a vowel. I showed you 5 ice cream, right? First ice cream is A. Okay? So this is apple. What is the spelling of apple? A double P L E, apple. Now, what is this? Can you see this, students? You know what is this? What is this? Everyone tell me. This is an elephant. Okay? So I am keeping it here. Can you see the elephant? Yes. So what is this? This is an elephant. Okay, it is starting with the letter E. So what is the spelling of elephant? E-L-E-P-H A-N-T. Elephant. Okay? Apple, elephant. Starting with A, starting with E. Okay, students. So A and E completed. Now next, which letter is there? I. Okay, everyone likes ice cream? I know you all like ice cream. So I have brought this picture for you. Look at this, everyone. What is this? This is ice cream. What can you see? Ice cream. Spelling of ice cream? Starting with I. Okay, look at this, everyone, once again. Can you see? This is an ice cream. Everybody wants to eat ice cream? Yes, but you should know the spelling of ice cream. आपको ice cream खानी है, spelling आनी चाहिए ना? Look at this, everyone, once again. What is this? Ice cream. Okay? So, ice cream. I-C-E, ice. C-R-E-A-M, cream. Understood, everyone? Apple, elephant, ice cream. Next, which letter? O. So, can you look at this, students? Which fruit it is? Look at this fruit. ये कौन सा fruit है? Which one? Orange. Everyone likes tasty, tasty oranges. Yes. So, let me stick this here. Healthy, healthy and tasty orange. Okay. So, what is the spelling? O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Okay, students, starting with O. This is apple. This is elephant. I for ice cream. Then this is orange. One last letter U. Look at this picture, students. What is this? Look at this picture, everyone. This is an umbrella. What is this? Umbrella. You know, when it is raining, what do we use? We use umbrella. Rainy season में बाहर जाते हैं तो what do we take with us? We take umbrella with us. Can you see this picture? Yes. Okay. So let me write the spelling. Umbrella. Okay, students. U for umbrella. Now 5 vowels are clear to you all, students. Which 5 vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Apple, elephant, ice cream, orange and umbrella. Okay, students, so vowels are clear to you. Did you all enjoy looking at the pictures? Yes? Okay. Now last we are going to write consonants. Okay, students, which letters are consonants? Let us write. See, A, E, I, O, U are vowels. तो बाकी के सारे letters consonants हैं. Which letters? B, C, D, okay, F, all those are consonants. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. So now let us take out these vowels. And we will write the consonants. Okay. You all saw ABCD in the blocks. Do you remember? Yes. Now I am going to write consonants. Okay. All the students will write along with me consonants also. ठीक है? So consonants are B, C, E, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, W, X, Y, Z. Now these are consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, students. Now last point. How many letters are there in English alphabet? 26. Okay. When someone is asking you how many letters are there in English alphabet? Okay. So total 26 letters. Okay. Okay, students, how many letters are there in English alphabet? 26 letters. Okay, next lecture I am going to ask you vowels and consonants again. Okay, students, take care. Bye bye.